Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to charge the battery of your E99 Drone Pro. Okay, to charge the battery, you need to take out the battery from your drone. From this location, you will see a push button here. Just press it and then slide it out. You will see your drone battery here, and to charge the drone battery you will see this micro USB connection. Connect it with the charger cable that attached with the drone, and use your phone adapter to charge the battery. Okay, now connect the battery to charger cable. Okay, and after that insert to the power supply. And you will see the red light appear on the battery. Okay, now so when the battery is fully charged, you will see the red line now disappear. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can charge the battery of your E99 Drone Pro. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.